guys, I'm back. My hair is a mess. Let me show you guys some easy and simple hairstyles that you can do. You can use them for school or just like anywhere. So let's get into it. Okay, one hairstyle you can do is you can simply just like curl your hair. I love curly hair, so yeah. Okay, this is how my hair looks when it's curled. I sort of rushed it today, but this is one thing you can do with your hair. Okay, another thing you can do is you can get your claw clip and take one. Okay, this is the hairstyle. I don't know what this hairstyle is called, but I love it. Yeah. Okay, another hairstyle you can do is like a simple bun. Just take some Okay, yes, I changed my top. Another hairstyle you can do is if you have these two clips, you could Okay, the last hairstyle you can do is just like two braids. Here's the hairstyle. Okay, yes, I changed my outfit for a third time. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I know it was kind of all over the place. Anyways, thanks for watching. We're getting closer and closer to 700 subscribers, so please subscribe if you're new. Anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.